The Edit menu in Google Sheets will help you make some changes to your document. First, we have Undo, which you can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl+Z. If I were to delete a whole range in my document, I can go to Edit, Undo, and it will all come back. The same thing with Redo. If I click Edit, Redo, it goes in the reverse direction. Let's undo that to bring it back. Below that, I have the option to cut. In Google Sheets, cut works a little differently than maybe in a Google Doc. When I click Cut, I will see dotted lines going around the area that I just chose to cut. Then I can paste that data somewhere else. When I paste that data by clicking Edit and then Paste, it's going to remove those dotted lines, and it takes all that data that was at the top. Now it moved it to the bottom where I chose to paste it. Let's undo by pressing Ctrl+Z. If I choose Edit and then Copy, it will not remove the data from the place it's currently in when I paste it. I choose Copy, go down to the bottom, and I go back to Edit and Paste. And here I have the data at the top and the bottom now. If you ever select to cut an area and you no longer want to cut that data, to get rid of those lines around that range, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard and the lines will go away. One of my favorite tools in the Edit menu is Paste Special. This is really helpful when you're trying to paste specific information. First, I can choose to paste values only. That means if I had a formula in a cell and I only wanted the numbers to show up when I paste, I could choose Paste Values Only. Let's take a look. Down here at the bottom, in each cell I have the sum. And if I look at the formula bar, each cell says equals sum and then has the range. If I want to paste this in a row below, but I only want the values, I don't want that formula to paste, I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, go down to the next row, and I'll choose Edit, Paste Special, Paste Values Only. And now if I click on each of those cells, it only shows the number. It does not show the formula that it did in the row above. You can paste the format only. So if you like the format, just like when we use the Format Painter, if you only want to carry over the format, you can choose this option. You can paste all except the borders. You can paste column widths only as well. You can paste just the formula and not the numbers. You can paste the data validation, and we'll take a look at what that is a little bit later. We'll also take a look at conditional formatting later. Paste Transposed is one of my favorites. Let's take a look at how that one works. I'm going to select the data that's in my top header row. If I want this data to be running up and down rather than left and right, I can copy this data, and on a new tab, I can go to Edit, Paste Special, Paste Transposed. And now that data is running up and down rather than left and right.